Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the thermal paste on your Lenovo Ideapad Flex-15IIL. This is an essential maintenance task that can significantly improve your laptop's cooling efficiency. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, isopropyl alcohol, a lint-free cloth, and a plastic spudger. Make sure you have everything ready before you begin. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws that secure the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Keep track of which screws go where, as they may vary in size. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the CPU and GPU, which are typically covered by a heatsink. Carefully unscrew the heatsink using your Phillips screwdriver. Be mindful of any thermal pads that may be present. These should be replaced as well if they appear worn. Now it's time to clean the old thermal paste. Dampen a lint-free cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe away the old paste from both the CPU and the heatsink. Ensure that all residue is removed, as any leftover paste can hinder the effectiveness of the new application. Once the surfaces are clean, apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the center of the CPU. A pea-sized amount is usually sufficient. When you reattach the heatsink, the pressure will spread the paste evenly across the surface. Reassemble the heatsink by screwing it back into place, ensuring it is secure but not overly tight, as this can damage the components. Before replacing the back panel, take a moment to check for any dust or debris inside the laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This will help maintain optimal airflow and cooling. Now replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, as well as collection and delivery at your home. This means you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel, and you'll receive a quote before any repair is undertaken. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it, and power on your laptop. Monitor the temperatures to ensure that the new thermal paste is working effectively. You should notice a significant improvement in performance and cooling efficiency. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the thermal paste on your Lenovo Ideapad Flex-15IIL. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your laptop and keep it running smoothly for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.